Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom menu on Wix. So let's get started. So right now, you can just head over in here and it'll add elements on your Wix website editor. So once you click on add elements, you will be able to see this menu in Anchor. Now from in there, head over in here and you will have your theme menus, your horizontal menus, your vertical menus. So for me, I'll just choose this horizontal menu and I will just choose this right here. So I can just drag this and drop it on where I want to put it. So for example, I want to put it on the header. I will be able to add this right here. Now what I can do is I can actually head over and click on settings right here. And then I can set this to this advanced menu. So click on set as advanced. Then click on this set as advanced again. And then as you can see, I will be able to manage it just like this. So for example, I want to delete this. I can actually hide this or rename the page. So we can also have the option for settings in SEO. So first, let's just rename it. So let's rename it as YouTube. Then click on done. And you can also rename these things right here. You can rearrange it however you want and also hide this or everything. So for now, let's head over to the settings and SEO of YouTube. Now, once you're in here, you should be able to see the page name, the layout, and all of this right here. So just click on this advanced settings, and you can also manually control this caching for this device. So to click on layout, you should be able to see this. When you head over to permissions, you can see this and the SEO basics, just like this. So for this one, you can actually head over and just click on the YouTube right here, which is the current page. Then set the page 30 and all that. So let's head over to the social share and you should be able to see the social share settings. So when you head over to this advanced SEO, you should be able to see this one. So let's head over to the page settings of this one and we can actually head over and change this however we want this to be. So for now, let's head over and click on this menu page of us again. And then from in there, click on manage menu. Now from in there, you can actually just click on this menu right here and rearrange it. For example, I want it in bottom, just like that. And also rearrange other menu in here. I can add this on the general page and all of that. Now from in there, we can actually click on the treatise again. And then from in there, you can also just change everything and change the layout. So let's change the layout of that. Can change your sub menu, then change the mega menu and all of that. So let's head over and use this things right here. Can use that depending on what you want it to be. So for now, let's head over to the design and you can change your design of your menu. So for this, let's click on customize. And once we have clicked that, we should be able to use the background fills of this one. So let's head over and use these things right here that we have. So we can also change if we want to edit the menu container or the menu items. So for this, let's try to change the text and our text style. We can change that and also the text one. So for example, I'll just choose this one. And as you can see, it will be applied right here. So just choose the one that you want. Once you have done that, you can also change the font size of the menu that you created. Now from in there, you should be able to change it however you want. So if you want to add the link, you can actually just head over and click on Manage Menu again. Then click on the page that you want. Click on three dots, click on Settings and SEO. Then head over again in here, wherein you can add a menu item or subtitle menu. So in here, you can actually head over to this SEO Basics. And you can see in here the YouTube or this thing or clear. It also add in the meta description and the title tag for this. So click on go to a URL and you should be able to see what it looks like. So for now, you can also click on the advanced SEO and you can structure these things right here. Then also head over to the social share and you should be able to see and put in some links from in here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add custom menu on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!